All right, some of the projects we got here at the shop are getting completed. Let's talk about this Torino first of all. This belonged to John and his family since pretty much day one. As I am understanding the story, he drove it to high school after his parents used it for years and years, and it came in for restoration. Now this car was previously at a restoration shop, probably sometime in the mid 80s, and it totally got botched. And the frame rails had undercoating covering up Bondo and newspaper, and the firewall was welded in wrong. And anyway, they couldn't even put the car together. And what happened is the car got parked, and when they pulled the car from the restoration shop, a lot of the parts got lost and they just got misplaced. Maybe the other shop sold parts. Who knows what actually happened? But when John re-entered the progress of restoring this car after he found Noel Automotive here, just so many things were missing. So he had to start all over. I mean, he had the basic car. He had the engine, transmission. He had started purchasing NOS moldings. He had good tail lights and the glass and stuff like that. Had the dash. But what happened is, as the car progressed in its restoration, we found out so many small parts were missing, like heater valve and wiper linkage and window regulators and just stuff like that. The little things that really can hold up a project. So anyway, as time went on, we were able to get the metal work done, do all the body and paint. Then the car had to sit for a while because we literally just were waiting on so many things. We had to get all the chrome redone, all the stainless polished. We were waiting on glass. The engine shop, we were waiting on them. Transmission had issues, so it needed rebuilt. So the car sat for a while, and we got it back in here this last summer and started to put it together. And it's been kind of slow just because of just all the parts that were missing. Anyway, this thing's about done. We're gonna send it back to him. Not 100% done because we're waiting on a good AC compressor. We're waiting on a condenser. The wiper motor, Chris has got the wiper motor. He's rebuilding it. What else? So 390 AC, automatic C6. More things like the people who produce the stripe, they cut the bottom part of the stripe wrong, and so I was able to install the top part. Let's see what else. We had to use the original back glass, so I had the Sergio at Carousel tint the back glass before we installed it, and Jerome spent about a full day polishing on it. So the back glass is pretty nice. It's tinted, it matches the side windows. Chrome is all done. Seats are nice. Carpet, I did the headliner. That turned out really nice. Now the door panels, they need redone. John says he's got a guy that's going to work on the door panels, which that's good because they are really different from our Mopar stuff. And I'm going to turn the door panels over to him. Car runs and drives. It's ready to go home, and happy to see it just about finished. We don't work on a lot of Chevys, but this one came in. We were recommended by another shop that didn't want to spend the time on it. We did shifter linkage and did a complete brake overhaul. Jerome's fixing the right front tire on it, had a bead leak. So the Camaro, that's a real RS. Data tags and everything prove it. It's got all the right stuff, real RS car. So convertible, blue interior. One thing I really like about this car is the seats. Seats are really pretty cool. So RS automatic, small block. That thing's going home today. All right, here's another car that's kind of rare. This is a 67 Chrysler 300. This is a 440 car, 440 automatic. This has just a myriad of issues. The car is actually rust-free, a very solid car, but this thing has been rode hard for its whole entire life. Yesterday we got a new power steering gearbox. We have steering gear in Ohio do the gearboxes for us. So we got that installed yesterday. Not too bad a job because on these C bodies you have a giant amount of room to work with. All original 440 though. This thing, it runs pretty rough, so we're going to dig into that later. We're going to do a leak down test on it and see what's going on there. We put these wheels on it. We're going to get it aligned. Kind of rough condition, but once again, this thing is super solid. Just not a rusty car at all. So I don't know how rare these are, but there can't be many. Chrysler 300 440 automatic. Front disc brakes even. All right, so we got a Chevy, we got a Chrysler, we got a Ford, and let's go over and look at my Challenger right here. So I spend every day working on customer cars, and I don't get a lot of time to work on mine. That's the original paint right there. Rubber bumpers. I've done a few videos on it in the past. It's getting closer. We're going to get some projects finished up here, and this is going to make a major transformation here in November. Hopefully by December it's painted. And that's what's going on today.